Have you ever fantasized about getting paid to do nothing except sit around and watch movies all day? If this is the case, we have the ideal work opportunity for you. Despite the fact that it may sound like one of those shady internet scams, rest assured that this is not one of them. You would be working for Netflix, and that is a fully genuine position. Now, Netflix is such a very popular website because there are tons of movies and series to watch out for. And being able to work under this company is such a huge deal. And the job that I will introduce to you is pretty much simple. This is one of the easiest methods to make money online, and I will show you how to earn money from this autopilot. As a result, you will make money without having to do any labor. This is quite simple and straightforward, but you must set it up correctly. So continue watching the video until the very end for a bonus website that will help you earn cash even more. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So I came across this article written by Hello Giggles that was published a couple of years ago, which I thought was pretty cool. The title of the article is There's a Job That Lets You Watch Netflix All Day Long, and here's how you can apply. The fact that this was brought up basically caught my attention and it made me research how. As you read through this article, the job is called Netflix Tagger. Basically, Netflix taggers are also known as editorial analysts, are individuals who watch Netflix shows, movies, and specials in order to tag them with relevant metadata. If you use those tags, it will be much easier for you to search for things to watch based on categories that interest you or things that you have already seen. Their job is quite similar to that of a librarian. They must ensure that items are categorized appropriately. They also have a comprehensive knowledge based on how television series or movies are related, and they are included if they appear to look well together in a row on Netflix. Now that you know what job lets you watch Netflix all day and you can earn from that, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to land that dream job. The first thing that I want you to do now is go to your browser search box and type in Netflix jobs. Click on the first result that appears, which is a URL jobs.netflix.com. You can apply for any Netflix position right here on this website. Every month they add new vacancies and the majority of the positions may be done from home or any place else. To learn about other job offers, just click on their search job button located on the upper right corner of the webpage. However, for this video, we will be focusing on the job Netflix Tagger. Now that you are on the site's webpage, go ahead and type Tagger into the search box right here, and you will be brought to this page where you will see a list of available positions that you can apply for. Given that I was recording during the last week of the month, there are no available positions for this employment, but don't worry, they have new positions available every month. You should apply as soon as possible because these positions are in high demand and typically fill up within 1 or 2 days after being advertised. Let's assume that the position of tagger is currently available on this website. What you will do to apply for the job is that you should click the job title right here and it will bring you to a new page that says the responsibilities and qualifications for the job. After reading it, I want you to scroll down further and you will see from this form right here. Here you will be required to fill out your important details. This includes your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. You will be required to insert your resume and to upload 5 supplemental documents that will help you get that job. After completing everything, you may now click this Submit Application button. Now let us assume again that you were accepted as a Netflix tagger. The question now is, how will you go about creating tags? Keep your attention for the remainder of the video because I will demonstrate another website that will make your task more efficient and less time intensive. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The first website that I'm talking about is called FilmTagger.com. Using this website, you will be able to complete your Netflix tag creation tasks more quickly and efficiently. FilmTagger is a movie search website that identifies comparable films based on their content rather than their sensational media coverage. This engine is intended for use by screenwriters, directors, producers, film enthusiasts, and students all over the world. For each film, there is a group of linked films that share a lot of similarities. Story elements, character attributes, and job descriptions are all examples of this. It is possible that you're looking for other films where it could have to do with the film's historical setting or geographical location. As a result of this, FilmTagger was born. Using the search engine, you can make an endless number of searches and changes depending on what you're looking for and what components of the cinema art form you want to focus on. We'll need the movie's details, so we'll hand it over to the website to handle it. Watching movies online is all you need to do, and FilmTagger will handle the rest. Now, as an example, let's look for a film that is really well known, such as The Avengers, on FilmTagger. In this field right here, type in the title of the movie and then click on this link right here. The page will load with information on the film, including its tag, as well as information about other films that are related or relevant to this film. As you can see, the genre of the film you selected is displayed in the section right here, and the proper matches for this film are indicated by the green and colored boxes. Further down the page, you'll notice that the tags from themes to locations to characters to time period to story are all relevant to the film. So, it just so happens that these tags are exactly what we're looking for. As soon as you have these tags, all you have to do is copy and paste them into a document file that you can send to Netflix. So basically, all you'll be doing here is watching movies, and Netflix will compensate you generously for your efforts. It is that easy. To help you even more, I'll provide you with a bonus website where you can earn money while viewing movies. In order to use this software, you will simply need to have a smartphone. Movie trailers, watch trailers, and share is the name of this application. Simply type into your Google Play Store app and you'll be able to get it. This service is completely free and you can make money while watching movies. In fact, you can see that people from all over the world love it. This app can pay you through a lot of different ways, but the easiest one is PayPal. To make sure you can get your money from this site, make sure that you have a PayPal account. Now, that is how you could easily earn money every day just by watching movies from your home. And you can do this with different movies over and over again. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.